Did you know that Angelica Panganiban and Ellen Adarna seem to have intertwined love lives when it comes to their ex-boyfriends? Angelica's exes, John Lloyd Cruz and Derek Ramsey, also became Ellen's exes.
I met her once. Naka-hangout ko siya. Kami pa ni John Lloyd. Then, may boyfriend din siya nun eh.
As for Angelica's reaction to the viral split between Ellen and Derek,
Parang nadismaya in a way na parang, oh, talaga ba?
Nalungkot ka din.
Hinanap ko yung sadness, pero parang hindi eh. Parang, noong una, hinahanap ko yung paki ko talaga noong una. May paki ba ako? Talaga ba? Alam ko kasi 10 years ang agwat namin nung ex ko eh. So, parang medyo, kung 39 ako, so baka almost 50 na siya. So, parang, nagulat lang ako. Baka yun yung term. Nagulat lang ako na, hindi pala kumalma.
and her becoming friends with Ellen, Angelica's cool with that, but not with keeping receipts like screenshots or records, which Ellen is known for.
Feeling ko, marami ko yung pag-uusapan. Wag lang niya isi-screenshot ah. Wag lang niya i-record. Having 2 kids, hirap nun. And nakikita ko yung ibang stories niya madadaan sa algorithm ko. Mukha siyang okay na mom. Diba? Parang you wish her well. Diba? Go te. Galingan mo dyan. Diba?
Angelica says she admires Ellen's bravery, which made her reflect on the things she wishes she had done in the past, like recognizing and ending a toxic relationship early.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo kanina, kabilib nga siya, yung tapang niya, parang, wow! Parang niyang nagawa yung mga hindi ko kayang gawin noon.
Oh, you were young.
Oo. Kaya ako parang, hanip, galing! Maganda talaga ako. Ha? Ito, ako natagalan eh.
She once said it's almost impossible to realize you're in one, comparing it to a frog in boiling water situation where you don't notice the danger until it's too late.
Mahirap kasi hindi mo alam na nandun ka. Mahirap siyang damahin, ikapain. Kasi of course, minsan in denial ka na it's really happening sa sarili mo na talaga ba? Nasa toxic relationship ako. And as much as possible, dahil sa ego mo, hindi mo yun i-entertain yung ganong klaseng idea. Kahit pa sabihin sa ng mga tao sa paligid mo na tama na yan, hindi na healthy yung relationship yung at yung tao yan, red flag talaga. Mahirap. Ikaw lang din talaga ang kakalas dun sa ganong klaseng relationship. When you've had enough, di ba? Yung parang, now I know, alam ko na tama na. And, yun, sinasamahan ng bravery talaga yun.